Happy Halloween. Got the pumpkins up, you know, that's important. And look, we got the lights back up on the wall. Pretty. We got this much hung. Oh, don't hide, it's fine. But looky here, pretty. We got a new rug that goes really good with our flooring. So pretty. Love it. I love the colors. It matches the floor. Pretty, pretty. We're getting closer.
All right, well, things are certainly coming along. I did get some cord around and cut it and use it as a transition. So it's not actually sitting on the floor so the floor can move as necessary, but I did go ahead and secure it to the tile with some construction adhesive. The wife has the pumpkins out because it's less than a month away from Halloween, so we do have the light up pumpkins, and I assure you they do all light up. Let's shut the lights off real quick. Anyhow, that's what they look like when they're lit up. They flicker. Third one over to the right, not so much, but he does flicker a little bit. I do have the LED lights back up and the garland. The garland is a 24/7, 365 thing. It lives all year round. It's not just for Christmas anymore. I did go ahead and get the LED lights back up in place. You can see the garland on the window. Once again, 24/7, 365. Got a couple things up in the back here. Finally getting some stuff back up to make this house back into a home. It's been freaking couple months. Let's go over here and take a look. I just got done finishing painting the baseboards. Put a light on there, so that one in the back right there, that one's been up there for a few days. Finally got it painted again. So I had the first coat and this is the second coat. I still have to do a transition between the new floor and the carpet on the bedroom door. I left a lot of extra so I can do whatever I need to do. But that's painted up, painted over here. And I did finish the closet. Did cut all new baseboards for the closet. It is installed. Wow, I mean, this thing would be a great audio room. It's with all the coats hanging up here, it's very, very quiet. So looking good. And some knickknacks up here as well. I'll put them back into service one of these days. But anyhow, that is an update on the living room restoration, I should say, or upgrade, whatever you want to call it. Whole house fan, I keep that one taped off. That's our spare house fan. That's the one I asked not to install when the house was built, and they went ahead and installed it right there anyhow, right by our freaking bedroom door, just to keep us awake all the time. Everything else is basically up. All the smoke detectors are up, and I always put a date on the smoke detector when I put a new battery in it, just so I know what I'm looking at. But everything else is looking good. That's to keep the cats out from getting behind the entertainment center. USB drive with some movies on it there. And like I said, this is a hardwired Ethernet TV. No Wi-Fi here. I mean, we do have Wi-Fi, but I don't choose to connect it. Everything looking good. Kitchen is getting cleaned out. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye. All right, so I have the transitions in place, and that's kind of why I saved the power transformers, not because I want to use them, but just for the weight. They're holding that down while the glue solidifies. So I have the transition between the new floor and the carpet in the bedroom ready. All the baseboards have been painted. The closet has been finished. Got one little touch-up point in there, that's it. I do have the transition in place between the entryway right here and the new floor. And I have the transition in place over here between the kitchen area and the new floor. Just holding those down so they don't go anywhere. Did go ahead and reattach the fire sprinkler. Cleaned it out so it's attached in there. So I think this is done. This was a birthday present for my wife, and it is completely finished. Just got some cleanup to do. As you can see, everything is looking perfect. Dropped some insulation down right there. Got the new rug in place, and hopefully I'll post a video that my wife made on the new rug. Everyone seems to love it. It's so soft. Everyone wants to lay on it. So things are certainly coming together. Looks absolutely perfect. Not bad for a dumb arse. Not bad for a dumb arse. Anyhow, there it is. Just got to put some things back together, and then it will be good once again. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.